Gather here. If you fall among the set of people that want to start importation business and you don't have international passports to get your verified Alipay account ready, gather here. This tutorial is for you, because in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you 4 different methods you can use to buy your item on Pindoudou without international passports, without Alipay account. This really sounds like what you want to watch, right? Before we dive into the video, get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua and this is the voice of Zion of Logistics. Here we teach entrepreneurs how to start business. Here we are like family. We discuss everything that have to do with mini importation, how you can start making money online, and most especially on mini importation business, right? So if you are a first timer, do well to smash that subscription button free of charge to subscribe. All right, make sure you like the video and also drop your thoughts at the comment section. That is very much important, because I always appreciate feedback, right? So we also discuss everything that have to do with Facebook adverts, Instagram adverts. I lecture people. Maybe after watching the video you still have some issues when it comes to your mini importation business. Do well to reach out to me. Do well to message me on WhatsApp with the number that is going to be displaying on your screen. All right, so I'm going to be talking about how you can use pay for me option on Pinduoduo. This is a video that every one of us have been asking for, that they really want to know how it works on Pinduoduo. So that is the more reason you really need to watch this video to the very end and make sure you don't skip any part of it, because I'm going to be sharing a detail with you, right? So I believe you don't want to miss any part of it, right? So please, before I go, subscribe and make sure you like it, please, I beg you. All right, so without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So welcome back. Now, before you can have access to what is called pay for me, right, you need to have a Pinduoduo account. And how do you get, what are the process of getting Pinduoduo account? I've recorded a video on how you can use your mobile number to register Pinduoduo without using WeChat. So if you're interested in watching that video, you can pause it, check the comment section or the description box of this button. You are going to see the video there. You can watch it and also share it to your students. All right, so now, by the virtue of you opening a Pinduoduo account and you don't even have a verified Alipay account, yes, you can still make use of what is called pay for me option. Now, what is called pay for me option? Alipay gives a varieties opportunity to their users, including all these Chinese shopping websites as well. All right, now they give you access. If you want to shop as a foreigner, they give you more access to request for payment, for you to request for payment outside the app or outside your Alipay app. So that is what is called pay for me. If you want to shop on these websites like Pindoudou, Idlefish, Taobao, or this 1688, they give you access for you to buy that thing and request from someone to help you make that payment, which is what I'm going to be showing you in a this short video. All right, but I don't want you to skip any part of this video. It is very much important, right? So you won't get to miss all the steps that I'm going to be putting you through. Okay, and we are also available for procurement if you want us to help you purchase this item from any Chinese website, right? And we're also available for what? Alipay funding. We are available for consultation. Maybe your what's it called? Maybe your 1688 account is frozen. You are finding it difficult to navigate through it. We also train people. Any challenges at all, you can come to our DM with this number displaying on your screen. We'll be able to mentor you, be able to put you through, guide you on how to do these things, right? So now let's proceed. Let's look for an item to purchase on this website. So I'll be able to use it to do a practical stuffs for you. So let me look for, I love luxurious things, so let me just wait and let this guy show me what is expensive on this website. So I've searched for this guy here. This is I think this is LED TV. So let's assume this is what we want to request for pay for me for, right? We also do pay for me. We also help you make your payment, right? So you want to click, after you must have checked the necessary things right here, including the comment section, the ratings, and we have the complete course where you can make use of your card to make payment. I have the complete course on this thing, how you can start from A to Z, right? So once you come down here, you want to click on this product, this red icon here. It will take you to this next page. After I have a video on how you can also fill in your warehouse address, your shipping address, right? So you want to select the categories of what you want to buy here. After that, you are going to click on your payment method. You can change your payment method. We have different payment method here. In my complete course, I think I've already recorded a video on this each of these payment methods that you are seeing right here. But that's not where we are going. We are going to be selecting our Alipay account. Now, selecting the Alipay account does not mean that you are paying yourself with Alipay. We just want to make sure before these functions works for you, you must download Alipay. Use that your number to register. It's not a must you verify it. Just leave it there. Do you get it? Because it is that on Alipay we are going to be requesting for pay for me. All right. I hope you understand what I'm saying. You want to click on this, your Alipay. Once you click on it, you want to click on this red icon to proceed to make the payment. So you can see that it has opened my Alipay. That is why I said it's a must you have your Alipay, right? Now you can see right here, my balance is insufficient. Because of this tutorial, I have to drain my balance to 43 RMB. So I'll be able to make this tutorial possible for you guys. So please make sure you subscribe. Please, I'm begging you. And like the video as well. Maybe it was because I'm a guy. You don't like talking. You don't like I've watched different ladies videos. I love the way you guys you ladies do impress yourself. Ladies, women support women. Yeah, thank you, ma. So I appreciate you, ma. Please appreciate me, sir, too. Please. It's not easy to be doing all these things for you guys. My comment section will be empty, and I know that you are gaining value from all these tutorials. Please appreciate me, sir, too. So YouTube will be able to recommend this video to other people as well. So let's proceed. Now, this is what you are going to be getting. This is where the magics happen, right? So where we have this pink friend a bill, this simply means that pinging your friend to help you make this payment. Okay? So what is pink? You are requesting for a friend to help you make this payment simply because your Alipay account is not verified. So you can't make this payment yourself. The same thing applicable to me now. My Alipay is verified, but I'm not having up to this amount. So we are still going to be making use of what? The pay for me option. And what do you want to do in this step? Click on where we have this pink friend a bill. So we are going to click on it. Clicking on it will direct, or this is where you want to pay attention. If you have been fast forwarding this tutorial, this is where you want to make sure that you want to pay more attention. Now, how do you request for third party to help you make the payment? This is the dashboard. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come to this search icon here. Click on it. That's why I said I want to show you different method you want to use. Once you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now, this search icon is where you want to input the details of the person that want to help you pay this item. Right? Now, is either you collect the person's Alipay email or phone number. Now, let me make use of my phone number here. I don't know if it is going to work. In some cases, it's not going to be working. And in some case, it will go. Don't worry, I'm still going to be showing you another straightforward method. That's why I said we have 3 to 4 different methods I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial. Now let's input this mobile number here. So automatically I was expecting this to pop up here, so I can click on it. But in some cases it's not going to be showing, but if it shows the owner of the Alipay account you are using, so fine and good. All right, so once it brings out the name, you want to click on it, but in this case it's not showing here. Let me still input the email address. So now if I'm to click on Samuel here, you will see that it brought out something like what. Now let's assume this is my email. Let me try to input my email address here that is bind to my Alipay account. So if it is going to be working, it's going to be showing us here. Now you can see here that I've already input the email, but nothing is showing up. But in some cases it will show. Okay, in some cases it will show, but that does not mean that it's not working. It might be their server. In some cases it does not show. And what do you want to do? You will go back to this page. After you must have go back to this page, the next thing is to make use of other option that is available down here. Now let's pick it one after the other. Now this WeChat, you can also request for your friends on WeChat. You want to click on WeChat here. Automatically this is what is generated. So you want to copy this link. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it, send it to that person on WeChat, so it will have access to this page to help you make the payment. But that does not work here in Nigeria, right? So you want to go back. Let me go back. Now this is what works here in Nigeria after I've shown you the first method. Now this is the WeChat option, right? The next one, which is this code scanning, right? You want to click on it. You can see it right here. This is the screenshot of the pay for me option, right? So you will screenshot this page. Once you screenshot this page, you will send it to your agent or the person that wants to help you pay. Now let me screenshot this page. After you screenshot this page, now you will now send it to the agent or the person that wants to help you to pay for this option. It will scan it. It will scan it from his own Alipay account, and it will brought out this amount. Once he make the payment, you will send the equivalent to the person. It's going to be displaying on your Pindoudou that you've already made a payment. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. I'm trying to show you different options, so you select the one that's suits or best for you. So let's go back to the next option. Now the next option is Alipay, where we have this logo of Alipay here. Just click on it. So it will select those people that are in your contact, in your Alipay contact that you've already traded with in the past. So you want to, these are different people that I've already traded with in the past in my Alipay account. So you want to click on it. Once you click on it, it will automatically send the request to them, so they'll be able to pay directly from their Alipay account for you on your behalf. Now let's move to the next one. So the next one here, I think I've been able to show you over 4 different methods now. So let's make use of the next one. Once you click on this contact list here, it will take you to the contact of the China vendors that you have on your phone. These are the China vendors that I have on my phone. You can see them. So to click on it here and send it to them, but I'm not doing that because we are a foreigner, right? This option is applicable for those who are in China. So let's go back now to the last option here, which is the link. You want to copy this link here and send it to anybody that is making payment for you. So it's as very simple as that. Very, very simple and straightforward. All right. So once you make this payment, let me go back. Once you make this payment, it's going to be showing here. It's going to be showing here that someone has already made a payment for you or on your behalf. It's going to be showing somewhere around this corner on your profile. Let me show you. it's going to be showing here that someone has already made the payment. It's going to be showing as if they've made that payment for you. Hope you've gained one or two things in watching this very video today. All right, so thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching the video. I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can also request for pay for me from 160 and Taobao. I've already recorded the video on it. It's going to be showing on your screen right now.